All the time, and I need to feel your skin on mine. We are just two of a kind. Feel the beat of my heart, first a look, then a spark from the second. When we make contact, boy, it's the chain reaction. It's the physical, chemical interaction. When we combine, feel the satisfaction deep inside my soul. When we make contact, boy, feel the heat increase and the mind's racing. Help me weaken the knees and the air gets thin. I can barely breathe when you make contact with me. I can kiss you right there, nice and slow. We can take our time. Tell me what you want, boy. I'll do anything, make you feel alright. And I need to feel your skin on mine. We are just two.
Okay, this is the wall outlet nightlight thing. So basically it's like dark. There. The nightlight comes on automatically, so like in the middle of the night. And then it has all these different ports. So like this USB-C is like that fast charger port that you can get with like the iPhone chargers. These fast chargers, you can put that in, and then it has like your regular outlets and your USBs, and then that one's another regular outlet. So, yeah, it comes in handy. We really like the nightlight too because, obviously, yeah, I like the fast charger, but I wish there was maybe one more fast charger on it just because. But what we do is we just plug another one in the block and just plug the block in, so it's fine.
Hey guys, so no more power cords laying around in your appliances in the kitchen. I have a solution. So check out these power cord organizers. So these right here, the package includes 6 of them. You're gonna find 3 different colors, white, black, and gray. They have a very, very strong adhesive in the back so you can paste it directly into your appliances. So just one little quick advice. If you put them in round surfaces like this, make sure you install them vertically, okay? So now let's go ahead and give it a try.
The trash can. It's a decent size. You just put your hand over it, it opens up, and then it has this little timer. It goes down, and that's when the lid closes. So you can also manually open the lid, and you can manually close the lid. So it came with a ton of bags, and it's super easy to exchange. You just take the lid off, wrap it around, and pull this little part through. So it's easy to put in and it's easy to pull out. It definitely looks way nicer. This was my nasty little trash can before. As you can see, it's much nicer than having to look at this stuff and keep staring at it. So it's a pretty large trash can. So you have to decide where you put it. But like I said, I think it's great and it looks way nicer than the one we had before.
Too hot. Summer's coming. I wish there was a way ACs were portable so people could bring it everywhere.
Portable. Coolify can be wearable.
Does this little thing really cool you down?
I already
In
did.
just 3 seconds?
Yep.
What's that magic?
It's a special radiator called Cool.
How does it feel?
It feels like an ice cube at Appliance.
In addition to the coo, does it also have a fan?
A fan? It's not only a fan, it's actually called 3D airflow.
It's a hot day. The breeze isn't strong enough.
Well, it's a good thing I got my 3-speed fan.
That's fast. Will Coolify be this summer's IT accessory?
Look, it's my favorite necklace, fashionable and
And
warm.
you're fabulous! Does Coolify keep your hair nice and safe?
It does.
Does one size fit all?
It does.
Does it keep your makeup fresh longer?
It does.
Excuse me, sir. How long have you worn Coolify today?
From sunrise to sunset.
Wow, it's so smart and energy saving. This is Coolify, your wearable air conditioner for this summer.
Kenmore 400 series bagged canister vacuum cleaning tools. Dirt, pesky pet hair, allergen-inducing dust and dander are no match for this multi-purpose, all-floors design. Cleans all surfaces from hardwood, laminate to piled carpet with ease. The aluminum telescoping wand extends to a 9.5-foot reach and is extremely lightweight. Enhanced triple HEPA certified filtration system captures 99.97% of debris, trapping dander, dust particles, odors, pollen, and bacteria.
With the Rack Universal Socket Tool. We use 54 super strong steel rods that are individually spring actuated, allowing the socket to automatically conform to any shape instantly. Jump from hex nuts to square nuts, screw eyes, bolt heads, and even damaged heads without ever changing the socket. The included 3/8 inch adapter turns any power drill instantly into a power socket driver. Tighten or loosen fasteners in seconds and get the job done faster. And our 2-piece kit replaces a whole socket set, so it's travel friendly. Keep on the go in the car, toolbox, or bike kit. Get the job done faster with the Rack Universal Socket Tool.
Introducing the KIZEN Waterproof Food Thermometer, an ultra-fast thermometer that takes temperatures in as little as 2 to 3 seconds. Being fully waterproof, washing is a breeze, and with a large and bright LCD screen, it's great for nighttime barbecues. The thermometer has the ability to hold temperatures for easy readings. With the calibration function, accuracy can be ensured. Follow local or international recipes easily by toggling temperatures to Fahrenheit or Celsius. The thermometer features a battery-saving auto-off function after 10 minutes. A retractable probe makes it easy to store, or simply hang it up with a built-in magnet. Cook like a pro every time with the KIZEN thermometer.